Welcome. If you've ever wondered what makes Perplexity AI stand out from other chatbots, you're in the right place. Perplexity isn't just another AI tool, it's a research powerhouse, automation hub, and daily assistant all rolled into one. In this walkthrough, we'll explore how Perplexity can save you hours, whether you're researching, learning, or automating tasks. By the end, you'll know how to use its features to their full potential, making your workflow smoother and more efficient. Let's dive in and unlock the real value behind Perplexity AI together. Let's start with the feature everyone tries first: intelligent search. When you land on Perplexity AI, it looks like a simple chat box, but the real power is in the toolbar. Here, you can switch between different AI models, filter sources for general web, academic papers, or even finance documents, and choose between quick answers or deep research. Deep research takes a bit longer, but delivers a comprehensive, cited report. This flexibility means you can tailor your search for speed or depth, depending on your needs. Imagine planning a trip to Tokyo. With Perplexity, you can ask for must-see events and get not just official links, but also real traveler tips from forums like Reddit. The results aren't just a list, they're a blend of official information and lived experiences. Once you have your answers, you can save them into a space for easy access, convert them into a polished report, or even export tables in code for further use. This makes Perplexity more than a Q&A tool, it's a research assistant you can rely on. Next up is the Discovery tab, your personal news hub. Instead of relying on a single source, Discovery pulls from multiple outlets, summarizes the news, and cites everything. You can personalize your feed by adding topics you care about, like stocks, sports, or specific companies. There's even a voice mode. Just hold the mic icon and ask your question aloud for instant, summarized answers. This feature makes staying informed quick, easy, and reliable. Labs is where Perplexity truly shines for power users. Here, you can upload data like a YouTube channel link and ask Labs to analyze patterns. It can spot trends, generate interactive dashboards, and even suggest optimization strategies. Want to go further? Build mini apps that automate tasks like SEO analysis or job alerts. Labs isn't just about research, it's about executing and building with your data, turning insights into action. Hidden in the settings is one of Perplexity's most underrated features: tasks. With tasks, you can schedule Perplexity to email you daily digests, send weekly market summaries, or drop WhatsApp messages with research updates. It's like having a research analyst who never forgets and always delivers. This automation means you stay updated without lifting a finger, freeing up your time for more important work. Spaces are your reusable research assistants. Think of them as templates you can tweak for different projects like a stock screener, travel planner, or tech trend tracker. Instead of repeating the same workflow, you store it in a space and build a library of personal assistants tailored to your needs. Over time, Spaces become your go-to resource for recurring tasks and research. Let's see Spaces in action. For example, if you're planning a trip, you can create a travel planner space and save all your queries there. If you're tracking tech trends, build a space that automatically pulls the latest AI articles. This way, you don't have to repeat searches. Your workflow is saved and ready to use whenever you need it. Perplexity isn't limited to its own app. With connectors, you can search inside Google Drive or Dropbox, and even chat with Perplexity on WhatsApp. The WhatsApp integration is especially smooth. Just ask for a summary or update, and get a reply right in your chat. This makes Perplexity a seamless part of your daily workflow, wherever you are. Comet is Perplexity's AI-powered browser. It can summarize long YouTube videos, pull answers from any page, and even auto-test discount codes while you shop. However, it's still experimental security issues, like prompt injection, mean you shouldn't trust it with sensitive logins or payments yet. Use Comet for research and summaries, but be cautious with personal data. For those who love automation, Perplexity's API is a game changer. You can set up workflows that take a search query, run it through Perplexity, summarize the results, convert them into a podcast, and email the MP3 to yourself all automatically. This turns Perplexity into infrastructure for your personal or business needs, handling repetitive tasks with ease. Perplexity offers 3 pricing tiers: Free, Pro, and Max. The free plan gives you unlimited normal searches and 3 deep research queries per month. Pro, at $20 per month, unlocks more citations, labs, Comet, and API credits. Max, at $200 per month, offers unlimited everything and early access to new features. For most users, the Pro plan is the sweet spot, offering the best balance of features and value. To get the most out of Perplexity, start with intelligent searches and save recurring workflows and spaces. Let tasks handle your daily briefings and use labs for deep analysis or dashboards. Experiment with Comet for quick research, but always be mindful of security. By following these best practices, you'll maximize efficiency and truly leverage what Perplexity has to offer. Perplexity is perfect for anyone who values efficiency: students, researchers, professionals, and creators alike. Whether you need quick answers, deep research, or automated updates, Perplexity adapts to your workflow. Its flexibility means you can use it for everything from daily news to building custom dashboards. If you want to save time and boost productivity, Perplexity is worth adding to your toolkit. In summary, Perplexity AI is much more than a chatbot. It's a research engine, automation hub, and daily assistant. The key is to explore its features and integrate them into your daily routine. Start by setting up a task, and you'll soon see the benefits of having an AI researcher working for you around the clock. Thanks for joining this walkthrough. Now it's your turn to put Perplexity to work and discover just how much time you can save.